Hello, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. I'm fine, thank you for asking. It's really nice to see you. You look happy today. What's your name? My name is Bidan. Nice to meet you. Meeting new people is always exciting. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. It's a beautiful country, full of culture and tradition. Have you ever been there? If not, you should definitely visit someday. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. It's a great age to explore new opportunities, learn new things, and meet interesting people. What do you do? I am a student. Studying is very important because knowledge is the key to success. Sometimes I find certain things difficult to understand. Can you help me? Please explain slowly so I can follow. Thank you very much for your help. You're very kind. Excuse me, I have a question. I'm sorry if it's a little silly, but I really want to know. No problem, right? I appreciate your patience. How much is this? I want to buy something, but I need to know the price first. Where is the bathroom? I might need it soon. I'm hungry, and I'm also thirsty. Let's eat something delicious and drink water. Can I have water, please? Thank you. I like this food a lot. It smells amazing, and it looks very tasty. But I don't like that dish over there. It doesn't appeal to me. Let's try something else. Life is full of choices, and it's always better to choose what makes you happy. Do you want to join me? Let's go together. Walking and talking with friends is always fun. What time is it? I don't want to be late for my next activity. Time is very important, and managing it well helps us achieve our goals. I love you. These words are simple, but they carry deep meaning. Saying I love you to someone you care about makes relationships stronger. Thank you for being here today. Your company is very special to me. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I hope you had a good night. Let's start our day with energy and positivity. Don't forget to eat breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I usually eat eggs, bread, and some fruits. What about you? Do you like tea or coffee in the morning? I prefer tea because it gives me energy without feeling heavy. How is the weather today? It's sunny and warm here. The sun makes everything feel bright and happy. Remember to drink enough water and stay hydrated. Also, don't forget to wear comfortable clothes when going outside. Life is too short to feel uncomfortable. Excuse me, can you repeat that? Sometimes I don't hear clearly. Thank you. I really appreciate your patience. Could you show me the way? I'm trying to reach a new place. Navigating is easier when someone helps you. Let's enjoy the little things in life. Smile more, talk more, and be kind to everyone. A small act of kindness can make someone's day. I'm tired today. It's been a long day, but I feel happy because I learned something new. Let's rest for a while. Sleep is very important for our health. Don't forget to say good night to your loved ones. Tomorrow is another day to enjoy life, meet new people, and do great things. Goodbye. See you later. I hope we meet again soon. Life is full of opportunities, and each day is a chance to make memories. Keep smiling, stay positive, and never stop learning.